Hi guys, welcome back. And if you're joining me for the first time, my name is Julie and I'm a German speaker for one of the major airlines in the United States. However, I'm headed to Tel Aviv. So I made it to Tel Aviv, as you guys can see. Looking outside, it's a little bit cloudy, but yet it is about 65 degrees outside. So I think I'm going to take a shower and then change, and then instead of going to sleep like I usually do, I'm going to go and chill by the pool for a while, and if I fall asleep, so be it, I'll fall asleep. But I think that's what I'm going to do for right now. See you guys in a bit. So I wanted to go straight out to the pool. However, I laid in bed for just a second. However, now it's 3:30 p.m. So I slept for several hours, but I mean, I did fly overnight, 10 hours. It's a long night as always. So it's still early. I can still go to the pool. I already showered and got dressed. I'm just wearing a black top and black pants over my bathing suit. So I packed my bag already and I'm gonna be heading downstairs to the pool area now. Last time I was here, I actually went to the pool and I got some hummus. Then I think I'm gonna grab some hummus today because actually that hummus was really good. If you like hummus and you're in Tel Aviv, that's absolutely must. You have to get some hummus because it's very delicious. Anyways, it's late enough, so let's head out to the pool. So there's nowhere to press in here. You actually press outside the elevator and that tells you where you want to go. This is the hotel lobby that I just wanted to show you real quick since I lost all of my footage of my last Tel Aviv video that I was putting together for you guys. And then you have a bar and we also have a bakery. So in case you guys are hungry, there is a little bakery where you can buy pastries and sandwiches. So it's actually a little bit chilly. It's even though it's 74 degrees, but it's not 74 like I know it in Florida where it's warm at 74. It's windy and chilly, so I'm not sure how long I'm going to stay out here. I might actually go and walk down the promenade just for a little bit and take advantage of the cool weather. So I asked them actually how long the pool will stay open, and they said it's only open till 6 p.m. So I figured, you know, I might as well go around and walk to Old Jaffa if I get there. So things look pretty normal here in comparison to when I was here back in September. I did see a little bit more police cars throughout and even police booths out here for security. So that makes me certainly feel very secure walking around in Tel Aviv alone. I'm just chilling out here by the beach right now and enjoying the waves. It sounds so good, but I forgot my sunglasses, so I'm squinting my eyes.
So it only took me like an hour to get here, but we finally made it to the beginning of Jaffa. Well, this is actually the north end, and that's the clock tower of Jaffa, which was constructed in 1900 and initiated by a Joseph Bey Moyal. Got one of these warm pastries, and it's actually filled with cheese, but it's so good. So this is the entire layout of Old Jaffa, so let's go right ahead and explore the area. Now we made it to the other end, which is the south part, where we have Jaffa Port, which is actually one of the oldest seaports in the world. The orange was the main citrus export for the city, and this is where it happened. Thus it got the name the Orange Steps. And here we have the official main entrance to Old Jaffa. So we're currently in the Goodman Square. I don't know if I said that right, but I will put this down below. And right ahead of us is the Fountain of Zodiac Signs, which was actually created in 2011. But this actually completes the tour of Tel Aviv. I hope you guys enjoyed this little glimpse of my layover here in Tel Aviv. If you did, be sure to hit the like button. And if you haven't already, of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you guys can come with me on my next layover. And with that, I say tschüss, bis bald und auf Wiedersehen.